Welcome to the tvONE Training Academy. We all know that tvONE are well known for our scalers, our format converters, our video wall processors, but we also make a whole bunch of other gear. You've obviously heard of OneRack, which is our latest rack management set of tools. Well, we've got another set of tools as well, which are just perfect if you want to put something like this, a 1T C2 750 in a rack. Maybe you had a couple of devices that you wanted to put side by side. We've got a couple of problems then. We need to mount them into the rack. We also need to power them. So let's look at these problems one at a time. This is our rack shelf. It is a great little product. I use this all the way through my room. As ever, we get a little instruction. This is a really good graphic to explain how it works. It comes with a blanking panel that you can see. So this is the blanking panel. So if we've only got one device, we just mount one device on the shelf and then put the blanking panel in beside. We get some cage nuts and some screws to screw the rack in. Some smaller screws if we've got rack ears, or if we need to put that half RU side in there. And this is the shelf itself. Now, what you'll notice, and this comes in a couple of versions. This is the 220. These are the screw mounts. Now, if you see a unit, if I show you the underside of a unit, so this is the 750. If you look on the underside, this has got the same screw holes. This is a DA. This has got the same screw holes. So any tvONE kit that's half a rack or smaller, you can screw onto one of these shelves. Like I said, I use a lot of these. That's the first problem, is mounting it. The second problem is powering up, and we've got this little solution here. We've got a couple of solutions. We've also got the Magenta Mini Dense Pack that offers 5 and 12 volts. This is the P2-105. This is a 5 volt power module. So this is perfect for a number of devices. So let's look what we get in the box. So we get the unit itself. So this is the P2-105. Let's have a look at that for a sec. Once again, nice packaging on it. So that's the front, P2-105. If we go around to the back, you can see we've got five power connectors and an IEC lead-in. We also have in the bottom of here, we have all the cables for that as well. So let me get the second box out. So I'll just get rid of this box a moment. So in the second box, we get an instructional manual. So it tells you everything you need to know about the unit. An IEC power cord. In this case, this is destined for shipping to Europe. So it's got a European cord. And then we have all the fly leads we need. So we get 5 fly leads. So this connects out of the back of the P2-105, and you see it locks. So I can hold it on that. It's locked in there. And of course, all tvONE gear has locking power connectors as well. So this means this little unit, half rack, gives me 5 power supplies. So it cuts down on all the wiring in a rack. It cuts down on all those wall warts, you know, the power adapters you've got to have. Also, it's a quality tvONE power supply. So you're not risking your power of your kit in a small power supply. It's probably worth less than $1. You're trusting it in a trusted power supply from tvONE. So a couple of products, not the most exciting in the world, but the P2-105 and the RM-220 rack shelf.